the chief guest, the State Minister with the ICT Division, Mr. Junaid Ahmed Polok, our guest of honor, the Ambassador from the Republic of Korea to Bangladesh, His Excellency Mr. Lee Jae-kyun, current Managing Director of Samsung Bangladesh, Mr. Wu, and the former MD, Mr. Yoon, respected government high officials, my fair electronics workers and colleagues, distinguished journalists. I'm thrilled to announce that on the 50th anniversary of our independence, Fair Electronics will manufacture air conditioners at our factory in Noshingdip. At the very outset, I must thank the leader who secured our independence. The father of our nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, captivated Bangladeshis toward the promise of freedom in our homeland. Because of his sacrifice, we are enjoying the rapid development that we often take for granted. Our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has followed her father's footsteps in transforming Bangladesh from poverty to prosperity. Her speech in 2016, where she expressed her desire to see smartphones manufactured in Bangladesh, inspired us to build this factory here. I must also commend our Honorable ICT Advisor, Shoji Joy, firstly for achieving our Prime Minister's Digital Bangladesh dream, and secondly for propelling Bangladesh to the forefront of the fourth industrial revolution. We're grateful to the Bangladeshi government for creating favorable policies to grow our manufacturing sector and their full electrification drive, which made it possible for us to reach all four corners of our country. We are proud to be the recipient of the highest VAT Payer Award in the year 2018-19 from the manufacturing category. We gladly pay our taxes to the government because that money is spent towards education to create our future engineers, and law enforcement to arrest abusive husbands, and healthcare to provide life-affirming care to elderly patients. I want to thank Samsung for trusting Fair Electronics as their partner in Bangladesh. They had the wisdom and the foresight to anticipate the rapid boom in our electronics market. And we could not be more enthusiastic than to work with a world-renowned company like Samsung. It's a great honor to manufacture Samsung's smartphones, televisions, and refrigerators at our factory. And now we're expanding our operations to include air conditioners, and in the future we'll gradually add washing machines and other home appliances. Our made in Bangladesh air conditioners will maintain the same standards as Samsung products manufactured in Korea or anywhere else in the world. And we can further reduce our prices for air conditioners to reach untapped potential markets. Our manufacturing plant already employs many engineers, technicians, and other skilled professions. And today's announcement will only increase the number of skilled professions employed here. And there is a flourishing backward linkage which will further develop our manufacturing sector and grow our national economy. The COVID-19 pandemic revealed the importance of technology in our daily lives. People use electronics products to clean their clothes, make their meals, and sadly, to say goodbye to their loved ones for the final time. Thankfully, because of the strong direction provided by our Prime Minister, we Bangladeshis overcame that nightmare, and it is morning again in Bangladesh. This year, we believe that our products will bring warmth and joy to people in their daily lives. একটা কথা দিয়ে আমি এখন শেষ করছি। আমার আমাদের কারখানার কর্মী প্রতি অত্যন্ত কৃতজ্ঞ। ওনাদের আরও পরিশ্রমের কারণে আমরা আজকে এই ঘোষণা দিতে পারছি। এই এসির উৎপাদনটা আমরা না, ওনারাই অর্জন করেছে। Thank you very much. I look forward to a wonderful day.